Hello, this is Cheryl and Novera, and we're doing a rings haul. Hit the subscribe button if you're new here so we can get into the video.
Hi. You idiot.
We went shopping.
Like always, yeah. And we got rings. Oh, rings. We'll start with a small story, okay? What's the story? The story is the last time me and Vera went shopping, we went to West Side and then we shopped for like 10 minutes. It was like 1 month back. Hey, it was in June end. So this time we entered and we were like, no, you will not do so much. We'll do half of it. We'll do half of it. So we did 5k. Somewhere in Commercial Street, we found rings. Started picking them out one by one. Half an hour we picked out like 15 rings. Like therapy. Person who put us through therapy only came with us for shopping.
Yeah,
so it's
and then he
great.
helped us select it also. I'm proud of you.
So we will show you the rings. I'm not a ring addict, okay, but my friend is. So I bought 5, she bought 10. So she'll go first, then I'll go.
And this we actually got not from Commercial Street. This we went to France and over there in the vintage thrift market, over there we got it.
If Queen Elizabeth wouldn't have died, she'd have given me this and then she would have died.
Yeah.
This also reminds me of, an anaconda, that flower, that color flower in anaconda, where those snakes will come only to eat that flower, and that flower
I thought they
bloom
come
only
to
once
eat
in
humans.
years. The
Yeah,
humans,
I can't really eat a flower.
no,
and
no,
go.
the humans will eat flower.
So basically we got these two from
It's called
abroad.
orchids. Yeah, so this is like a broad shade,
Yeah.
but in Commercial Street. Got this. You get in H&M, West Side, and so many places, but I got it only for 100 rupees.
We got this. This also H&M will give for 6.99, 8.99. We got for 100. This is like fairy.
When I was small, those flowers will be there. I'll be trying to make those flowers into rings. Now those flowers are rings. Yeah. Yeah. Got this. It's like very cute, proper. It's like pastel pink.
Yeah.
Pink and gold.
It's so
like,
vintage and
it's
so
so like-
aesthetic.
Yeah.
That also we got from Paris, guys.
That's from Paris.
Yeah, and this we got from China. Same, like best friends should match, no? So yeah, see. Sorry, we didn't get from Paris. We got from China.
So which one of is-
handmade? They great.
So which one of is it from Venkatesh or Garments?
Nothing. We are not Kannali
in my bag.
people. We are Shivajinagar people.
No, but I have a,
Yeah, so I got this one, okay, the last piece. Usually, it's only like 1 and 2, but
Yeah.
this one has 3. You know what's the best part? All of these rings are adjustable. And everything on every finger.
then I got the
flower bouquet kind of ring. So even if people don't give me bouquet, I wear this kind of.
And then she got this. This is
That's
like
classic.
a cute bow.
yeah.
And it's so cute.
I got gold ring that big first time in like Western.
So this is not.
Then I got this flower also. It's actually little blue. Ah, yeah, nice.
All of these pieces, no, if you buy it like elsewhere, it would be like
350, 599,
this is
499.
this ring and a tiny ring for like 700.
Showstopper.
That's like Wonder Woman's
Yeah.
ring, bro. Woman's ring.
Stopper.
So how are you all thinking about next year's Met Gala event?
Next year's Met Gala.
It's sorted.
Only today.
We
Noella
are
will be designer
going.
for
Yeah.
Met Gala.
She's gonna be my model. The brand name is gonna be called Nuvera M.
Oh, where? I'll go where? Picture.
You will wear my Nuvera M. If people ask you whose dress are you wearing, you tell Nuvera M.
So you're the brand ambassador
Yeah,
of like
she's gonna
these
wear
China
my-
pearls and like the
Yeah.
Russian models and like
Yeah, she's gonna wear
Paris
my gown.
paninis.
Yeah, she's gonna like how Zendaya's design I'll go na with her like that I'll go.
So what do you call this new styling?
Fashion sexy.
We're at the end of the video. We got about 15 rings. Per ring was 100 rupees. We bargained and paid only 1400, but it was great quality. It is great style rings. It will last at least for a year. Overall, this purchase was a win. We got these from Commercial Street, but if you want any more details, please drop in the comments. And if you would want to know how I'm gonna style all of these rings, please subscribe. I'm so excited for these. Getting these kind of rings for such a cheap price happens only in Commercial Street, and here is us just goofing around. We love a low price, great quality. So I'd like to see y'all in the next one. Bye.